Welcome to the official video overview for the proposed initial public offering of Shreni Shares Limited. We are a SEBI registered stockbroking firm engaged in the business of share broking and market making services. We are one of the leading players among the top 10 market makers in the SME exchange ecosystem in India and have cumulatively handled 37 mandates over fiscal year 2023 to fiscal year 2025. Source D&B report. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the Book Running Lead Manager or BRLM and the company that 1. You are the intended recipient of this video and 2. You are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, /online websites, /social media platforms, /microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document for making investment decision. All capitalized terms used herein and not specifically defined shall have the same meaning as ascribed to them in the offer documents, as the case may be. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated March 4, 2026 before taking an investment decision in the offer. Initial public offering of up to 15,100,000 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, equity shares of Shreni Shares Limited, company or offerer for cash at a price of rupees blob per equity share, including a share premium of rupees blob per equity share. Offer price aggregating up to blob million, comprising a fresh issue of up to 6,900,000 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, aggregating up to blob million rupees by our company, fresh issue, and an offer for sale of up to 8,200,000 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, aggregating up to blob million rupees, offered shares by Hitesh Natwarlal Punjani, Needy Bhavesh Shah, Nirmal Himatlal Shah, and Sapna Bhavesh Shah, collectively the selling shareholders. Offer for sale, and together with the fresh issue, the offer. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholders and promoter group selling shareholders in the initial public offering, and the proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Our company was originally incorporated as a private limited company under the name of Shreni Shares Private Limited on September 17, 2009, under the Companies Act 1956, pursuant to a certificate of incorporation issued by the Assistant Registrar of Companies, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Thereafter, our company was converted to a public limited company pursuant to a special resolution passed by our shareholders at the Extraordinary General Meeting held on May 11, 2023, and the name of our company was changed to Shreni Shares Limited, and a fresh certificate of incorporation, consequent upon conversion from a private company to a public limited company, was issued by the Registrar of Companies, Mumbai, on May 26, 2023. The company has its registered office at office number 217, Hive 67 Icon, Poisar Gymkhana Road, Lokmanya Tilak Nagar, Poisar, near Ragulila Mall, Kandivali West, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India 400067. The industry and market data used in the DRHP has been obtained or derived from the report titled Industry Report on Capital Market and Stockbroking, dated February 13, 2026, prepared and issued by Dun & Bradstreet Information Services India Private Limited, commissioned by and paid for by our company, pursuant to an engagement letter with Dun & Bradstreet, dated December 12, 2025, exclusively for the purposes of the offer. Shreni Shares Limited is a SEBI registered stockbroking firm engaged in the business of share broking and market making services. Shreni Shares Limited is one of the leading players among the top 10 market makers in the SME exchange ecosystem in India and have cumulatively handled 37 mandates over FY 2023 to FY 2025. Source D&B report. We provide broking services and margin trading facilities to over 2,620 clients. The capital market is a crucial segment of the financial system where long-term securities such as stocks, bonds, debentures, and derivatives are issued, bought, and sold. It provides a structured platform for companies to raise funds for business expansion, infrastructure development, and diversification of operations. By connecting investors with businesses seeking capital, the market efficiently channels savings into productive investments, supporting economic growth. Source: D&B report. As of December 31st, 2025, we offer our broking services through our first network of 8 branches, spread across 7 cities in India. Second network of 6 authorized persons, that is, agents appointed by us after approval from the relevant stock exchange. And 3 online and digital platforms. As of December 31st, 2025, we are doing active market making of 41 companies listed on SME platforms. Our market making activities involve providing two-way quotes during trading hours to ensure liquidity in the SME segment. Our revenue model includes fixed fees from corporates, which consist of one-time and annual fees, as well as additional earnings from spreads and other trading activities and secondary market transactions. Our commitment in market making continues to contribute to the dynamic and efficient functioning of the securities market. With over 15 years of industry experience, we offer customized private client broking solutions for active equity traders, along with comprehensive depository services through CDSL. Our integrated platform seamlessly combines trading and depository facilities, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. We serve a diverse client base that includes individuals, HUFs, and corporate clients across India. We categorize our offerings and services as follows: broking services, margin trading facility, market making services, capital business. Investors should note the following important risks. Investors are advised to read the risk factors carefully before taking an investment decision in the offer. Details of our top 5 risk factors are set forth below. 1. A significant portion of our total revenue from operations is derived from treasury operations of 352.69 million rupees, representing 76.77% of total revenue, 194.01 million rupees, representing 68.00% of total revenue, 266.86 million rupees, representing 84.28% of total revenue, and 94.46 million rupees, representing 79.02% of total revenue, as of 9 months period ended December 31st, 2025, fiscal 2025, 2024, and 2023, respectively. And any adverse movement in treasury performance or decline in other key revenue segments could materially and adversely affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. 2. Our company has been subject to certain penal actions from the stock exchanges and regulatory authorities in the past. There can be no assurance that we will not be subjected to such penalties in the future, which may in turn adversely affect our financial conditions, our operations, and profitability. 3. We are subject to extensive statutory and regulatory requirements and supervision, which have material influence on and consequences for our business operations. 4. We have discontinued our merchant banking business, which may adversely affect our revenues, growth prospects, and business strategy. 5. The operation of our businesses is highly dependent on information technology, and we are subject to risks arising from any failure of or inadequacies in our IT systems. For further information, see Risk Factors on page 35 of the DRHP. The promoters of our company are Bhavesh Himatlal Shah, Hitesh Natwarlal Punjani, and Nidhi Bhavesh Shah. Collectively hold 28,363,400 equity shares of face value 10 rupees each, equivalent to 53.48% of the issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company. Prior to the offer, the promoters aggregately hold 53.48% of the company's equity share capital. This includes 36.22% of the company's equity share capital is held by Bhavesh Himatlal Shah, 7.96% of the equity share capital Hitesh Natwarlal Punjani, and 9.30% of the equity share capital is held by Nidhi Bhavesh Shah. The promoter group aggregately holds 17.64% of pre-offer paid-up equity share capital of the company, while the additional top 10 shareholders of the company aggregately hold 7.23% of the pre-offer paid-up equity share capital of the company. In total, the promoters, members of the promoter group, and the additional top 10 shareholders aggregately hold 78.32% of the company's pre-offer paid-up equity share capital on a fully diluted basis. 14,804,600 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, comprising 27.92% of the issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of the company, are held by the promoter selling shareholders and promoter group selling shareholders. As on the date of the DRHP, our board comprises 7 directors, of whom 4 are independent directors, including 2 women independent directors, 1 managing director, and 2 whole-time directors. Our revenue from operations grew from 119.54 million rupees to 459.38 million rupees at a CAGR of 63.60% between fiscal 2023 and period ended December 31st, 2025. Our revenue from operations during the 9 months ended December 31st, 2025, fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024 and fiscal 2023 was 459.38 million rupees, 285.29 million rupees, 316.62 million rupees, and 119.54 million rupees respectively. Our profit after tax, including discontinued operations, has increased from 54.22 million rupees to 298.21 million rupees at a CAGR of 85.90% between fiscal 2023 and period ended December 31st, 2025. Our profit after tax for 9 months ended December 31st, 2025, fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024 and fiscal 2023 was 298.21 million rupees, 231.56 million rupees, 236.16 million rupees, and 54.22 million rupees, respectively. A list of our key performance indicators for 9 months ended December 31st, 2025, fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024, and fiscal 2023 is set out below. For further details on financial information, investors are advised to read financial information beginning on page 236 of the DRHP. For further details, see Key Performance Indicators on page 131 of the DRHP. Summary of outstanding litigation. A summary of outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company, group company, promoters and directors, key managerial personnel and senior management, in accordance with the SEBII CDR regulations and the materiality policy, as on the date of the DRHP, is provided below. As on the date of the DRHP, there are no outstanding criminal proceedings involving or outstanding actions taken by statutory or regulatory authorities against our key managerial personnel or senior management. As on the date of the DRHP, there is no pending litigation involving our group company, which will have a material impact on our company. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 330 of the DRHP. Utilization of net proceeds and schedule of deployment. The net proceeds are proposed to be utilized and are currently expected to be deployed in accordance with the schedule set forth below. For further details, see Objects of the Offer on page 120. The IPO is being made through the book building process in accordance with Regulation 6(1) of SEBII CDR regulations, with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to QIBs, not less than 15% of the net offer to non-institutional investors, and not less than 35% of the net offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE and NSE, and the book-running lead manager to the offer is Aryaman Financial Services Limited. The BRLM associated with the offer has handled 16 public issues in the past 3 years, out of which of the one issue was closed below the offer price on the listing date. Please see page 348 of the DRHP for the price information of the past issues handled by the BRLM. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated March 4, 2026 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither our company nor our promoters and selling shareholders are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or issue to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.